Welcome to this guide today, and in this guide I'm going to show you on how you can go to use HTML to send email. Okay, so it is quite possible that there are some parameters that you're supposed to have, and you can just send the email using your HTML alone, only HTML, and therefore in this case you are going to learn on how to do that. Now, one thing that you need to have internet access, and also you need to have the Visual Studio Code. Now, in the Visual Studio Code, I've already started writing the program. I've written those syntax of the HTML, and then in the body section I want just to add this code. I just want to add this code. Now, this code, basically I'm going to explain it that this is an anchor tag, an opening anchor tag. Inside the anchor tag we have got the href. So href basically is going to give us the source, who is the person going to receive that email. So mail to basically means this is a recipient of that email. Then we have got the CC. This is the person who is going to receive the carbon copy of the email. So this is another recipient that is going to receive the carbon copy of the email. Then we have got the BCC. So the BCC in this case, you can see it is a blind carbon copy of the email, and this is the person who is going to receive the blind carbon copy of that email. Then we have got the subject specified. So here we specify the subject, and then you give us the name of that particular subject. Now after that, you need to have the body. So the body in this case is just telling us what that email is all about. So this is what is going to be displayed in the body of that email. And then this is the place where once it has been clicked, what has just been mentioned at the top here is going to be sent to the database. Now if I just go to my browser, yeah. So when I run this, so it gives me empty because I've not saved it. So what I'm going to do, I've saved that, and then go back to my browser, and then I click on it. So by so doing, you can see there is a small link here is there. So what I need to do in this case, I need just to put some energy a little bit. So I can just add that, and then I can say email sent. So that is the text that should appear there, email sent. That is the text. And then you save that. Then after saving that, you come here, you refresh, see if everything is turning out for my good, and therefore that is exactly what I want. Now when I have the internet access, now when I click on this link here, click here, it should be able to allow me to go and save in the email. Now what is going to happen is that it's going to check on my Windows if I'm connected with my email. So here in this, the mail application of my Windows, I've connected to my Gmail application. That's why you can be able to see that everything has been fetched. Now in this case, whatever I stated as mail to is here. So this is what is going to be displayed in the to part. But while from basically is the email that is sending the email. This is a person who is sending the email. Therefore you are supposed to enter that in this region. And then you can have the blind carbon, the carbon copy, and here the blind carbon copy as stated in this case. Now after that, you just say, for example, the body, you are saying that testing email. So if I go to my code, you realize that the subject is testing email. So you can see testing email is here. Then we have the body section. Now in the body section, you'll be able to see that we have got all this code, and in this particular case we are going to have the click here, whereby when somebody clicks on it, it's going to take him to the email. Now when I click here and I click on this point here, it is going to open to me this, and I've already explained what from is all about, the two, the CC, the BCC, the subject, and then the body. So after you have specified that, you just click send. So how will you tell that the email has been sent? So basically you go to more, and then you go to all emails. Now you can see in all emails, this is the email I've just sent in like 106. So you can see here that in my time it's 106, and you can see this is an email that has just landed in 106. So that is how you can be able to send an email using HTML. Basically, you need to specify the href, make sure you have the anchor tag, make sure you have the appropriate keywords that are going to be used in this process, and then make sure that you specify everything, and then you go ahead and click OK. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. When I create the next content, you will be informed. Bye bye for now.